Why doesn't screen mirroring work on Netflix? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. And if you are wondering if why your screen mirroring on Netflix is not working, then it is because Netflix uses DRM, that is digital rights management, to protect copyrighted content, and because of this, screen mirroring or AirPlay mirroring is blocked. You will see black screen or audio only or error message when you try to screen mirror, and this is done to prevent screen recording or piracy. So there are a few workarounds for screen mirroring. So first things first, open the Netflix app and then play a video, or if not, you will see the cast icon on top of your screen in the Netflix home screen too. So simply tap on the cast icon you see there and then select the Smart TV, Chromecast or Fire TV or Apple TV, and this will stream directly from Netflix and not your phone. Next, you can use AirPlay via Apple TV. So if you have Apple TV, you can AirPlay only on Apple TV and not to Smart TVs. This may stop working after a few updates though. And if you're watching directly on Smart TV, then you will need to install Netflix App TV and simply sign in and watch normally instead of using screen mirroring. So, this was about why screen mirroring on Netflix does not work. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.